Alrighty, super simple, super quick, preliminary, water bomb base, and then we'll do a quick sink on it. So just get our water bomb base in order. Okay, so now that's a good one to practice a sink with, because it's got a nice quite open fold. So what I'll do is I'll just make the pre-crease for the sink fold. So this is the line along which I'm going to do the sink fold. And what I do is I fold it both ways, and sometimes multiple times, because this is about giving the crease the memory it needs. Then if it's an open sink, which we prefer, is to open it up. And what I then do is I work my way around each one of these, each one of the edges of the crease of the sink. Also, I'll need to reverse the inside folds here, but I'll do this progressively. And it's a bit messy and a bit rushed, but you can spend your time making this as neat as you like. Once you get it all done, you can collapse it, and that's the basic process to get a sink. If you practice that lots and lots and lots, you'll be able to get very, very beautiful sink folds, but this one is a very quick one just to demonstrate the principle.